Hi everyone. All right, let's begin with the session today. How are you all doing? Good evening, guys. Am I audible and visible clearly, everyone? Okay, let's quickly begin the session today. Arav, Kavita, Chira, Kavya, Diksha, Kanav. Camera on. Cameras on. Quickly. Cameras on. Cameras on. Okay, let us begin. So today, what do you guys expect? Which AI tool are we going to have? Please write in the chat. I don't have a camera in my monitor, Ayan. I remember it's for everyone except of the person, those who are having problem or something, or your exceptional case. Hint. Um, it is a kind of all-rounder AI tool, contains presentations as well, a lot of things. Canva. Okay, good guess. All right, so yeah, we'll be going today with the Canva AI. So let us begin with today's session. Learning more about Canva AI, every single thing about Canva AI. I'll be searching over it. Canva AI, your conversational AI power assistant, visualize your ideas, generate the text, produce impactful designs in one place. That is for sure. We know that it is helping us to produce whatever AI images and arts and text. From text, we can even create websites, we can even create portfolios and a lot more things. You're all in one AI assistant. We need to log in and sign up. My account was already there, so it has just started. Okay. Say hi to Canva AI. Hello. Now, we have a prompt box here. The prompt box says, okay, this is something showing to us what we can start with. Let us start. Let's say, try Canva AI. Page is opening. It opens. What will we design today? Are you going to design any particular design image, document, code, or any video clip? Or even we have a plus option to say add from something camera, import something from your computer, upload something, apply any brand or something. But we'll be simply designing a lot of things. Today, let's just see that how we can make a beautiful uh, quiz or whatever website we want. And we can even get the code for that. For making websites, we require to code programming languages. Yes or no? How many of you do you know programming languages are required to write the code and to make the website, build the games? Coding is required. बताओ भाई कोडिंग के बारे में किसको पता है? No scratch. Coding, we are discussing about what coding means. अच्छा नहीं वैसे मतलब this is clear that coding is required for making websites, high level websites, web applications, games, etc. इन सब में coding use होती है पता है? And we will be designing. Chalo, let us say that today we are starting with this code only. This is something new. As I click on the code, what happened? It will give me the code, it will give me the programming language code, and it will generate a very good thing for me. Okay, for say, create an AI quiz for kids. 5 questions, no, 10 questions. Okay, now I'll give the prompt yes. Create an AI quiz for 10 questions for kids. My code is started. Number of lines my code will be having also started. It will give me a code which will be absolutely like a real life website of a quiz, especially designed for kids. Even that I can see the code also. That what code is required, how what the lines of code, which programming languages is used, etc. and so on. Let it continue making here. We can start ahead with some another tab. I'm opening the same. And yeah. Let us see. Let's click on create. Now, if I just click on create, I can see a lot of options with me. As it magic layers, something new option which has come up. Canva code. That's exactly we are doing. Magic write video background, etc. But this is again an upgrade or pro option because we have a golden crown over there. That golden crown is something says that we have to upgrade. Magic layers, everything is there. frequently use, like what people mostly use Canva for, right? But we have options of presentation, social media, photo editing, videos, printable document, whiteboard, sheets. Acha, what are these sheets? How many of you know what are these sheets? कौन सी sheets they're talking about? So get it? बताओ sheets का क्या मतलब है यहाँ पे? कौन सी sheets की बात हो रही है? Where you can edit and create stuff. There's a particular name, Diksha. Your explanation is right, but give the real name. All right, we have Google or Excel sheets. How many of you have seen Google or Excel sheets? Such kind of sheets. Yes or no? Such sheets can also be designed and created and edited. This is called a Google sheet, or we can say Excel sheet also, where we can store lot of data and we can name it also, we can save it, we can share it, okay? MS Excel might you guys have heard about, right? Exactly though, this is what called a sheet. Why sheet? Because the name of this is called a spreadsheet. हम इसको spreadsheet बोलते हैं because इसमें हम बहुत सारा डेटा easily store कर लेते हैं, जैसे पेपर में लिख लिख के store करते हैं वैसे यहाँ पे टाइप करके हमारी एक ही spreadsheet में बहुत सारा डेटा easily store हो जाता है, all right? And we can store, see how much space we are having. 10 lakh entries तक डेटा स्टोर हो सकता है एक स्प्रेडशीट में, एंड यू हैव द ऑप्शंस एट द बॉटम टू प्लस द शीट्स एज मेनी स्प्रेडशीट्स एज यू वांट टू. तो दैट्स व्हाट कैनवा इज आस्किंग फॉर मी टू क्रिएट अ शीट. देखिए मेरा कोड बना. ओ माय कोड इज रेडी. आर यू ऑल रेडी? एआई क्विज फॉर किड्स. स्टार्ट द क्विज. फटाफट से. विच ऑप्शन? व्हाट डज एआई स्टैंड्स फॉर? बी. ओके, गुड. Correct. Great job. Next. Okay, next. Which of these is an example of AI? AI voice assistant like Siri. Correct. Great job. Next. What does a robot need to be smart? Computer programs. Awesome. What is a chatbot? A robot that chats with the people. How does AI learn new things? By studying lots of data and example. Option C. Very good, guys. Which animal inspired early AI researchers? कौन से animal है? Human brains, very good, because we the humans are also considered as the animal because we have all those features the animals have, right? What can AI help doctors do? Yes, very good. Find disease in the X-rays. What is a self-driving car? A car that uses AI to drive without a human. Last question. Which of these uses AI? Very good. Video game characters that fights back. Can AI create art and music? Yeah. Yes, very good. Option number B. See the results. See the results. See how stars popped up. Quiz complete. You got 10 on 10. The stars are popping up. The animation is there. See how creative quiz website it has created. Yeah. Now, at the top, I can see there is an option of show code. I'll just switch the toggle. See, this is the code. This much code is that this much programming code has been written. This much is required for Kavita, are you having any problem? Your hand is still raised and I can see your face is a little worried. If you want something, you can write in the chat. Okay, so this is the code. This long code is there for that quiz which you have seen, right? And if you just switch, and now we can just copy the code. See, option is also there, copy the code. We can copy the code, we can save it on our local computer, and if any changes we want, we can do that, or we can use it. We can use it like a project, right? In our resume, in our school to show or whatever. Do you all agree? We have got the code, entire code we have got from first line till last line. Because it's beautiful animation. See, the robot is there, which is popping up a bit. AI quiz, there is a highlight focus. Again, start quiz. If we click on the start quiz, it gets started. Again, the button is popping up. Then results are coming. The creative environment, like creative fonts, colors, everything is there, especially designed for kids. Do you all agree? Can you explain again, Arif? What to explain again? Ma'am, what if we're gonna type the code instead of words? What do you mean? Type the code instead of words? Where you wanna type the code instead of words? Like when you want to explain the thing you want to create in Canva. Code, you are saying that you will be actually typing the code instead of the letters or something. Programming code, you are saying. Ah, so nothing happens. It will interpret that code and will give you the result. No problem. I can paste this code only. If I just go to this code, I can just copy this. I can just give this as a prompt here, and I can write that uh, make modifications, add more of fonts, colors, and beautiful images, etc. And I can hit the prompt. It will interpret my prompt so far. Yeah, nothing happens. It will take it, it will analyze it, it will make the editings as per my prompt. So yeah, guys, see that we can use it in a design also. This ready-made quiz in just few seconds. Such creative, beautiful quiz have been created, engaging, creative in just few seconds. That's what Canva is used for. Now, let us come back to it. We have this photo, presentations, doc, whiteboard, sheets, websites, emails, custom sites. Let's click on websites. Let us create some websites. Okay. We have this website basic template, or we have this browse templates option. We'll click on browse templates. Then yeah, see, it opens up. These are the possible templates of the websites which are available for free. Yep, all right. Did you see? These are the available options. We can see according to our content, according to our topic, we can just choose which is the right fit for my website if I want to create, right? For say, I'm just creating this any technical website. It says customize this. I'll click on customize. The interface opens up, allowing me to do whatever I want. Yeah, so everything comes up here. Now I can see these are our editable things. I'll just click on this, and I'll, instead of writing this, I'll say Placy Technologies or something. Yep, did you see? I have changed it. AI is future. Learn more button is there. I want to change that if I want. I can just choose the picture if I want to change. A lot of things are there. See? If you just see at the corner, we have elements, we have text also to add. Even if you click on this particular text, you can change the color. The color option also comes up. Dark. Whatever color you want to change, you want to make it underlined, you want to make it bold, you want to increase the font size, you want to change the font style as well. If I want it to be this much bold, I'm choosing it like this. Yeah. This is how we can make lot of editings that we want to according to our website. This editing is only, that's the time. Rest, no, without any code, we are building such a professional website by default using this Canva AI is something really time saving, and it can help us to generate lot and lot of websites, presentations, videos, photos, whatever we want to. We have already seen lot and lot of options are available. That's why it is saying you're all in one assistant. We have a chatbot also. We can generate a code also. We can generate a handmade ready quizzes, websites as well. We can design our websites by our own. We can design our videos. We can edit our photographs, presentation, document, whiteboards, and a lot more things. Social media, stories, post, landscape orientation, everything, everything, right? So that's how it works out to be. Next, search elements. If I just show the elements graphics, we can see a lot of elements are there, shapes are there, and suppose this is our shape. This is how we can add the shape, etc. If you want, you can add it. If you don't want, you don't add it. Whatever you want to. Even if you click on the color change option comes up, I can choose it as a yellow color, maybe. Yellow star is there, right? We the Placy Technologies are star, providing with good content and quality education to people, to our young kids. Buttons are there. You can click on buttons. We can see what all buttons I want. If I want this button, I can make it happen. If I want a link of it, I can click on a link. Suppose I am giving a link of this. Okay. I'm copying the link from here and I can entering the link. And instead of the text button, it says open. And I'll say done. See, this is happens. Now if anyone will click on it, it will be redirected to this particular website automatically because I have put and the background that whoever clicks my button, it will lead to another page or another website. Okay. Right now, this is what we can happen. Text we can add. We can add uploads. We can even upload anything that we want to. If I want to upload my picture, if I want to upload any of the files which I'm having, I can do it. That I am so and so AI instructor at Placy Technologies or something. If I want to add my certificate or something, I can do that as well. And a lot more things are there. Pages are there, a lot more. Entire website, see, it is ready. I need to just update my information according to my website and the content. That's it. Rest everything is ready. How hands-on and easy it is. Clicking on tools so we can draw anything that we want to. Highlighters is there, pens are there, eraser is there, whatever you want to, you can just do it. You have lines option, you have shapes option, you have sticky notes option as well. If you just choose any sticky notes are like what? See, my name is already written at the bottom of the sticky note, but we can add these small notes like the way we add mm, yeah, the way we add some small notes in a notebook, right? At the corner we write or something. This is how at the corner or maybe something we can write that contact me, my number, this, and this is my email, or this is how you guys can contact me, etc. Right? This is how small notes kind of things can be added to make it more creative or something. Maybe important note is there, keyword note is there. In books also we have this, right? You might have seen in your books, in your history civics books, in your computer books, we have the boxes at the corner mentioning some of the other information apart from the course. Text, again, we can add some text. If you want to add tables, we can add that tables as well. If you want to delete anything, everything can be deleted, whatever you want to. Or else we have the undo and redo button which says Control Z or Control Y. This will ultimately delete and this will ultimately shift it. How many of you are aware about this Control Z and Control Y, undo and redo? What is this undo and redo, everyone in the chat? How many don't know? Yes, we can make it public for sure. We can publish it. We can make a URL, and if you want to have a custom domain, we have to go for upgrade version, but that's the reason. But for free, I cannot, but yes, we can. Undo and redo, everyone. Undo is to get to our previous action. हाँ, उसके लिए हमारे पास control shortcut है, control plus Z. Okay. Redo is to do it again, control plus Y. All right. So this is how the things comes up. And जो भी यहाँ पे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, whatever the things are. And something, whatever are like, जो भी, etc. etc. We have the name, etc. We have the things, etc. Everything. And yeah, that's how it works. And we have the projects. If I come to the, yeah, and you can say अब हमारे पास इफेक्ट्स आ रहा है. इफेक्ट्स पे क्लिक करेंगे तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आते हैं इफेक्ट्स के कि हमें कैसे इफेक्ट्स देने हैं अपने वेबसाइट में. व्हाट ऑल इफेक्ट्स वी कैन बी गिवन. बोल्ड, यू वांट समथिंग, suppose I'm giving it like this. See, it has applied to my sticky note, but I don't want it. I want it to this. If I want to glue it, I can glue the intensity, echo it, drop it, whatever. It will be working accordingly. Okay. Now, this is all been animate. Animate is what? We can animate. See, this is how animations are, they appear on click. On elements, on entire page also we can click. Okay. See, my entire page also comes up with these animations which I have made it, make it happen, and I'm applying to it one after the other. Okay. Position, again, position, if I click, there are a lot of positions, layers, options are there. Where you want to put it, I want to place it at the bottom. See, it will be placed after learn more. Not placing. This is how it can be placed, whatever order we want to have, whatever things we want to have, whatever the positions are there, whatever comments we want to make. If there is also Canva AI, ask Canva to generate an text, to generate an image, to make an image. If I click on simply ask Canva to make an image, it will make me an image. Now, what image I want to ask Canva to make? I will be asking make an image of AI students, AI car or something, AI car. And I'll hit the prompt. It will generate the image. It is generating at the corner. My work is being in progress. That I can immediately generate a image which I want to. Maybe that is not uploaded. Hmm. All right. See, there's an image to try. I can click on it, and that image is applied. See, my entire background is applied with that image, the AI car which I'm having. Now, accordingly, I can just make the editings which I want to, right? Yeah, whatever things, isn't it? Everyone? So this is how we can instantly, immediately generate an image. I don't have the image saved with me, but I can immediately, instantly save it, and I can use it. I can go for it, right? Now, this is All right. So we have this with us like in Open AI, Future, etc. Whatever things. Is it clear, everyone? Till now, what have we done is fine. Clear? Okay, now if we see at the top, we can have a preview of it. We will click on the preview that how my website will be looking like with these animations. See, and I can share it. Now the option comes to publish the website. Two options are there: either share or publish it. Publish means to globally share it, make it publicly accessible to everyone. If you click on particular share, you will be having a particular thing, anyone with the link, and I can just copy the link, and the people, now I can choose the option that they can only view. So I'll just copy my link and I can share it that this is my website I have created to view by anyone I want to share it. Moreover, I have options to download it. It will be downloaded in that particular form. Public view link is also there. See, anyone public view link is also there. If I click on public view link, create a public view link, it will ask me to create a public view link. I'll click on create a public view link, and it is live. I can just add any canva.link slash ria AI, and I can just, this custom link is invalid. Please use letters, numbers, and hyphens only. Not sure. Letters, numbers, and hyphen. What's this? Claim your link. Now again, to make it a public view link, that means to make it accessibly to globally accessible, we have to upgrade for Pro. There is a golden crown button we are having to actually upgrade to Pro to claim your link. This is how we can public it. And particularly if we want to share, we can share people with the access. Publish website, if I click on, again the same thing comes up. We have to make an site or address. We have to choose the URL something. And if you want to use a custom domain, again we have to go for subscription. It is just showing a view that how it will be going to look in my phone or in the laptop. This is how the websites can be made, and they can be shared, they can be published, but that's all required, the subscription, other things, right? Now, let us go and create something different. This is how websites can be created so easily. Home. Let's go to home. Home is asking for mail, magic layers, print shop, document, whiteboard, website, and a lot more things. Let us now go to video. Let's see how video can be affected. Now again, video, if I click on this, then we have lot of yeah, lot of things are there where videos are coming. Websites we have seen how to create. Presentations are there. Social media, photo editor. Let us click on photo editor and try to edit the photo. Already it has mentioned that if you want to remove the background, you need a pro subscription plan. If you want a magic eraser, you want a pro subscription plan. Background generator, magic grab text, everything requires a pro generator. And these are, if I want to upload any of the photo, I can upload. And these are my by default photographs which are already there. I'm just uploading one of them and I want to edit it. The interface shows me how I want to edit it. How I want to edit it, I have the option click, brush, background, etc., foreground, etc. I can crop it. The first option is cropping. Suppose I'm cropping it up. I only want this much. Okay. Original is something okay. Aspect ratio I can change accordingly if I want to, but I'm keeping it 1:1 only. These are the aspect ratios we are having, right? If you want to rotate it, you can just rotate it, but I'm not rotating. I want to keep my image as it is. Vertical perspective, if you want to zoom it. Horizontal perspective, if you want to zoom it, you can just go for it. Go for all these editing options. Smart crop is also there. Now, coming back to it, we have the adjust option. I can add auto adjust the temperature, like how the picture should be. Is it, see, it is yellowish or something, or you want it to be bluish, or you want it to be natural color. Tint effect, if you want to apply the color changes to little more contrast or something. How much brightness you want to increase the brightness, to increase the contrast or not. Highlight, shadow, white, black, etc. Colors, if you want to invert, see, it just inverted the colors. Whatever colors are there, you can invert it. Color editing options are given to us. If you want to see whatever color options we are having, we can go for it. Then these are for free. These are for free. Share sharpness, clarity, vignette, etc. Everything we have with us to go. Pixel eraser is there. Magic Studio is again requiring whatever effects if you want, you can apply the effect. See, a lot of effects are available to us. I'm applying classic. I'm applying this as sea green only, but this is quite dark. Sea blue, let's apply. or whatever we are having. Then we can click on the background. We cannot detect the background in this image. If you want background, there is no background. Foreground, the front image, it will detect that. Now, if you want to plus click on it, it can even create the design. If you want to save it, it will be saved. Or if you want to download it, you can instantly download for free and you can just use it wherever you want to. That's how we can uh, discard, create the image, or we can edit the images as per the available free options or we are having, and we can do whatever we want. Our images are only there. We just have to upload it and we can do it. Right? Next. Presentations, we have already known about what presentations are, how do we can create a lot many presentations that we are having in it. Acha, before that, I wanted to share one information. How many of you know about an address URL or something like जो URLs होते हैं ऊपर लिखे हुए हैं, these are called the address URL ना, साइट का एड्रेस होता है ये जो ये लिखा हुआ है पूरा, ये साइट का एड्रेस होता है ना. Now, how many of you know about the parts or the components of a site or a URL address we are having? Link for the website. Link बोल दो, कुछ भी बोल दो, उसके पार्ट्स क्या होते हैं? वो भी कंपार्टमेंटलाइज होते हैं, उसके भी मीनिंग है. हर एक स्लैश के बाद, हर एक HTTP के बाद जो लिखा है, ये canva.com का मतलब क्या है, ये टेम्पलेट्स का मतलब क्या है, ये क्वेश्चन मार्क क्यों लगा है, वट एवर. URL लिंक है क्या? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट ओनली. No idea. Okay, no problem. I'll be sharing my screen with the same. See, this is how a structure of URL looks like. जो लिखा हुआ है, the first we are having HTTPS. This HTTPS is always recognized as a protocol. What is the full form of HTTPS? Everyone in the chat. HTTP का full form. फटाफट से भाई. Quick, quick. Everyone, quick. How many of you know? I mean, if you don't know, as in, at least 12 answers should come in the chat. All right, yes, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize my mic was okay. Okay, see, now see, that's what again the parts of URL I'm explaining. This first is the HTTPS, which is called a protocol. This is a blog, maybe any of the name, which is called a subdomain. Then it comes to the next names we are having. This is called a second level domain or top level domain means .com. This .com means it is worldwide. If I'm writing .in, that means it is only associated with India, right? .uk, .org, .com. These are some of the top level domains we are having. Yes, everyone? Yes or no? Do you all agree? Do you all understand? And then we are having this page path. This page path is nothing but just पेज पे जो ऑप्शन पे बटन पे क्लिक करके हम डायरेक्ट करके गए हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ पेज पाथ. ऑल राइट. सो डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? गॉट इट? तो जैसे अब मैं इसका लाइव एग्जांपल दिखाऊं आपको कैनवा एआई में ही, तो जैसे अब यहाँ पे इफ यू गाइज नोटिस केयरफुली देन आई हैव मेंशन canva.com एंड टेम्पलेट्स. मैं मतलब टेम्पलेट्स वाले पेज पे हूँ, इसलिए ऊपर टेम्पलेट्स लिख के आएगा. दैट इज द पाथ ऑफ माई पेज. ऑल राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डिजाइन. मैंने डिजाइन वाला टैब चूज किया तो उसने यूआरएल पे डिजाइन लेके आ गया. दिस इज हाउ ऑटोमेटिकली द path changes, the path of the website, the path of a page changes according to what options or what buttons we are clicking on. All right, everyone. This is how we can create presentations, social media, video, websites, etc. Everything can be created so easily. We have seen a lot of options. We have seen the implementation as well. These are the records we have, like I have done so far before, and we can go for it as well. जो भी हमारा हिस्ट्री, जो भी हमारा वर्क होगा वो सेव होता चला जाएगा. वी कैन री एडिट देम, दे कैन बी सेव्ड एज अ ड्राफ्ट ऑल्सो, कि ऐसा नहीं लॉस्ट हो जाएगा. इफ यू जस्ट क्रॉस द वेबसाइट you will be able to access it after some time also. You can make whatever changes and modifications you require to. All right, everyone. Now the doubt session opens up for you all, because that's all for Canva today. You can come up with your doubts one by one, please. Arav, what I need to explain you again, please tell me. URL one, okay, no problem. I'm explaining the URL one again. All of you listen carefully. See, this is what we are having: a complete URL address or a web link of any website or web page. So what happens? It starts with HTTPS, which is called a protocol. Then we are having the name, which is called a subdomain. जैसे हमारा Canva है, तो canva.com में जो Canva है वो हमारा subdomain है, और .com हमारा top level का domain है. ठीक है? टॉप लेवल का डोमेन का मतलब इट्स .com. दैट मीन्स इट इज वर्ल्ड वाइड, right? .in, Indian based. .uk, UK based. .org of any organization, right? .edu, education based. तो ये बहुत सारे टॉप लेवल डोमेन्स हमारे आते हैं, जिनको हम टॉप लेवल डोमेन का नाम देते हैं. दैट इट इज scattered or targeting which region, which level or which area or something like that. फिर उसके बाद आता है पेज पाथ. पेज पाथ मीन्स विच, कौन से पाथ में पेज पे हम लोग गए. सपोज इसी का ध्यान से देखो तो हम इमेज नाम के सेक्शन पे जाके, अपलोड नाम के सेक्शन पे जाके मैंने ये इमेज खोली है. तो दैट इज माई पेज पाथ, कि मैं पेज के किस पार्ट पे हूँ, क्या ओपन करके मुझे मिला है. ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. लेट मी ओपन. आ गया. ओके मैम, या श्योर, इफ यू डू हैव नो डाउट्स. मैम व्हाट इज डोमेन? देखो, डोमेन क्या होता है? एक सेट ऑफ इंटरनेट एड्रेस होता है जिसमें कुछ ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स होते हैं. जस्ट हम जो हम देख रहे हैं, ये एक इंटरनेट का एड्रेस है. ये .com, ये .in, ये जो कैनवा, हम ये सब इंटरनेट पे, ये इंटरनेट के एड्रेसेस हैं. जो बेसिकली क्या होता है, इफ यू गाइज नो, कि हमारी जो जितनी भी वेबसाइट्स हैं, वट एवर वेबसाइट्स वी आर डीलिंग विद, दे आर ऑल सेव्ड एंड स्टोर्ड एज विद एन आईपी एड्रेस, विद इन द नंबर्स, यू नो. वो numbers में save होती हैं, but we cannot memorize the numbers for each and every website. That is why they have been represented in letters and alphabets that we can use it and we can remember it. अब कैनवा का आईपी एड्रेस होगा कुछ 12064 etc etc, but we cannot memorize it ना. We have to memorize. How we memorize? By the name directly. That is why backend पे जो डोमेन नेम सिस्टम चलता है, सर्वर्स चलते हैं हमारे कंप्यूटर्स में, वो आईपी एड्रेसेस की तरह सेव होती हैं. ये जितनी भी हम क्लिक करते हैं वेबसाइट्स को, लिंक्स को, स्टोरेज में, मेमोरी में, लेकिन हमारे सामने उसका आईपी एड्रेस नहीं आता है. हमारे सामने डायरेक्ट उसका नाम आता है. वी गेट द नेम ऑफ द वेबसाइट डायरेक्टली, वी गेट द डोमेन ऑफ इट डायरेक्टली. ओके, एनी टाइम आर, we get the name of the website directly because we cannot remember the numbers of each website, right? अगर मैं आपको 10,000 वेबसाइट्स, मतलब 10 वेबसाइट्स भी दे रही हूँ विद डिफरेंट आईपी एड्रेसेस, यू कैनॉट मेमोराइज देम. बट इफ आई एम गिविंग यू द नेम डायरेक्टली, यू कैन मेमोराइज कि हाँ, दिस इज चैटजीपीटी, दिस इज जेमिनी, दिस इज आइडियोग्राम, दिस इज टीचेबल मशीन, दिस इज कैनवा, this is runway lm, this is notebook lm, whatever, right? Do you all agree? This is how the backend system works. This is how the domain name system works in the servers, in the computer, and the backend memory. Okay, is it free or does it have a paid plan? For sure we have a paid plan, paid plan. See, there is a upgrade pro option for many of the features which are not for free in Canva. Is there any AI in stock market apps for R and let me, फिर से ऊपर चला गया तुम्हारा, मुझे वो करना है. बाय बाय एवरीवन, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेशन. Is there AI in stock market apps for R and the management service? मतलब for R and management service, what are you trying to say? देखो, बिल्कुल आई एग्री. बाय, थैंक यू अयान. इज यस, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द मॉडर्न एप्लीकेशंस, जितने भी मॉडर्न स्टॉक एप्स हैं, वो एआई ही यूज कर रहे हैं. व्हाट डज एआई डज इन दीज एप्स? दे प्रेडिक्ट द ट्रेंड्स, दे प्रेडिक्ट द पैटर्न्स, राइट? ऑटो ट्रेडिंग, like algo trading, real time alerts and signals comes up, isn't it? Investment suggestions are there, recommendations are there for sure. That is how it is working, it is coming up. Pattern recognition are there, news and sentiment analysis can be there. And if I talk about management or something, trend spider, uh, like AI chart analysis or something comes up, and like really we can just try using that. This is how it comes up. Like, is there AI helping us? Yeah, for sure there is an AI in every step. Anyone with any other doubt, guys? Thank you. Good evening, Diksha. Everyone, is there any doubt? Shall we wrap up? Did you enjoy the session today?